speaking of heaven, you showed a driver in heaven. How about a little boy in heaven experiencing his dreams come to life today? This is 6-year-old Tristan Rhodes. He wants to be a construction worker when he grows up, so he joined the crew building the AC by Marriott Hotel in downtown Spartanburg. The video posted to the hotel's Facebook. He's hiking up the drawers there as he goes too, which is nice. Facebook page. Tristan describing the site got tons of attention, including the hotels. Today he went behind the scenes, touring the site with the big guys. He even got suited up with his very own vest, safety glasses, and hard hat.
Asked about working conditions, workman's comp, and so forth as well.
He just wants to know, what's the rate? How do I get paid?
There you go.
Get that straightened away.
That's really cool, though.
It is going to be hot again tomorrow, right?